Hello friends, tutorial number 299. Now you have got the temporal relationship, preposition showing temporal relationship, and you can see today we have for, from, in, over, through, to, toward and since. This for and since used with the, as you know, perfect tenses. For means a lapse of time and since means some point in the past, some definite point in the past. For example, he has been working here for 10 years. He has been working here since 2010. That's the difference. This is 2020. So if we say he has been working here for 10 years, 10 years passed by. Lapse of time is not, time passed by. But when we say he has been working here since 2010, it means a past moment, a fixed point from 2010 up to this time. That's the difference. Okay, I think you have done. Same with the in and at. In for larger periods of time, like at you say at 5 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, at 6 o'clock, like that. At night, you say at night. There's only exception to that, no, at night. Otherwise you say in the morning, in the afternoon, at noon also, at noon, at night. Not in the noon we will not say. Otherwise we will say larger chunks of time. No? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, at noon. See that's the in and then year. In the year, see, in the month, in a month, in 2 weeks, then meaning slightly changes. So in a month, in 1998, like at least for a fixed point of time, like that, at 5 o'clock, at 4 o'clock, at night, at noon. That's the thing, it's clear here. When you come back to this, you will see 4. I have known him for 5 years. Say lapse of time, I have known him for 5 years. Very often people write the certificate. No? I have known him for 10 years, I have known him for 5 years, I have known him for 1 year, I have known him for a month, I have known him like that. A lapse of time. Listen, we can say he has been working here for 10 years, 5 years, like that. Then she started speaking from morning. That is point of starting. She started speaking from morning, she started cleaning from morning, she started singing from morning, she started dancing from morning, she started working from morning. Point of starting. And they came here in 1990. They came here in 1919, they came here in the morning, they came here in the afternoon, they came in the evening, but they came at night, they came at noon. That's the thing. They came in a, we will do it in a day, larger period of chunks of time, in. And then you have got, like in an hour, so in an hour, at least for a particular special point. That's the difference between at and in. Clear? Over the years, he became poor. This time span. Over the years, the prodigal son became, over the years, the prodigal son became very sad. And then he came back now, over the years. Over the years he became richer, over the years he became sadder, over the years he became wiser, over the years he, time. He worked, over the years he built this business empire. Over the years he built this business empire. Over the years he built this flat. Over the years he used this room. Over the years, like that. Next one is he worked Monday through Friday. Through means course of time. Through. Then instead of saying from Monday to Friday, you can say Monday through. Monday through means every day. Monday from. One you might have taken a leave. That case also you will say from 2. In this case it is full. See? worked Monday through Friday. They remained awake through the night. Every moment of the night. They remained awake through the night. They worked through the day. Means throughout the day. That is the meaning. Through the day. THROUGH. They worked through the day. They remained awake through the night. They slept through the night. Through time span. Not time span but course of time. To end point of time. Usually it is with the from. They started the journey from, they started working from 7 o'clock to 5 o'clock. So from 2, at the end point of 2. We were attending classes from morning, from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock. Extra class. He was working, he was dancing from 2. Eating from 2. Some people eat flowers now. Sometimes if you go to 5-star hotels and so on, you will find people sitting and eating their breakfast, spending their breakfast, time from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. I have seen it, and that's what I said. Talking and ordering different dishes, different courses and so on. Probably that is the only meal that they might be taking, because there's no chance, chance for taking another meal, because their stomach will be so full, and that's up to them. We don't worry about that. So you are like this. They labored from morning to evening. Then you have got this happened toward evening. The accident took place toward evening. She fainted toward evening. She started crying toward morning. That is a closing time. That is toward closing point of time. Then since I have known him since 2015, I have known him for 5 years. See the difference. Here it is not the time, the point of time in the past is not fixed. General we can say. But here it is fixed. Right? I have known him since 2015. Right? He has been working here since Monday, definite time. I had known him since 2015. He had been working here since 2015. Understand? But on the other one will be 4 or 5 years, just for 6 years. So that's the difference between 4 and since. Very important when you are using perfect tenses. This distinction. Very often you will find in books like this, 4 is a diagram will be given like this. Up to say 5 years. This is since you will find like this, a definite time. 19, 9 to the present. That's the meaning. Understand? So that is 4, no fixed point in the past, but since a fixed point in the past. Since 19. Very often you get questions like this. This part will be left blank. Use the correct preposition here. For or since. I think it's clear to you now, temporal relationship, etc. Have you any doubt? Have you got any doubt? No. Fine, thank you. See you again.